Alright, moving on to part 2. So let me just quickly show you a preview of what we're gonna learn. So the end of part 1 was shh. You wanna go boom, boom, hey, boom, boom, rock, star, hit and round, what? Alright, let me break down part 2. So end of part 1 was here, shush. You wanna bring it down here, bring your hands to the back, prep, and then go hit, hit. Yeah, so this is my right, this is my left. I don't know what this is, but this is what you'll be doing. So hit and a hit. So basically I'm just turning my body here, yeah? Or you could actually also do it with your hands. Looks better if you turn, whoop, whoop. So 2 times. From here you wanna turn to your right, bring your hands up like this and go, ah. Yeah, so you go round to the right, here, back, here. Let's just try that. So we're gonna go from shush, bring them down, hit, hit, and scream around here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your hand down, prep, go back, and then go hit, hit, and then up to your mouth and go around, stop. Okay, so from shush, hit, hit, scream around. From here, you wanna go. Well, actually, there's a small detail. I'm just gonna show it quickly, but I'm not gonna do it when we practice because it's just gonna confuse you. But Charli does just a small detail where she says drum, drum. There's a beat that says doom, doom before she goes hit, hit, hit. So now let me just explain the easy version. So we did hit, hit, around, scream. From here, just prep for the hit, yeah? So what you wanna do is say right here and left is going. I don't know if this is a pistol or something like that that Charli is doing, but you wanna go hit, hit, yeah? So the right is saying ha, 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 just doing these small jerk motions, and then the left is going up, up, up. So at the same time, it goes whoop, whoop, whoop. You can even lean a bit into it if you want. So let me just rewind. Scream, 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 prep for the hit, hit, hit. Let's just try that. We're gonna go scream, 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 hit, hit, hit. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go scream, 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 and hit, hit, hit. Let's just do the last part as well. So right after hit, hit, hit. From here, you wanna say this going around with your hands thing. So I don't know what it's called, but you just did whoop, whoop, whoop. From here, you wanna bring your right on top, and then you wanna open your palms and go around like a flower, yeah? And then you wanna pull out and go what? Yeah, so this is my left, this is my right. I guess you can also do it to the other side. All right, so let's just rewind a bit. And hit, hit, hit. From here, right foot on top, open up like a flower, around, pull out, fist. I think she does it all the way up here. Whoa, whatever you want. So let's try again from here. Hit, hit, hit. Right on top, open up, and then one. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hit, hit, hit. Right up, around, and pull out. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hit, hit, hit. Right on top, around, and out. Okay, so that was the end of part 2. Well, basically the end of the dance. So let's just recap part 2 here. From the tip to the top, this was the end of part 1. Bring it down, boom, boom, around, and hit, hit, hit. Hands around, pull out. All right, let me show you the timing as well. So this was end of part 1, Rockstar Shhh. Then we want to bring it down. There's a beat going boom, boom. There's a scream, ah, and a rock, star, hit. Then there's a boom, boom on this, and then it goes what? Yeah. So let me just quickly show you. It goes shh, and a boom, boom. Hey, and a rock, star, hit, doom, doom, what? All right, guys, now let's practice. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. And boom, boom, hey. and rock star hit doom doom. What? Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and boom, boom, A and rock star hit doom doom. What? And one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go and boom, boom, A and rock star hit doom doom. What? Alright, now let's combine part 1 and part 2. I'm gonna do a quick recap, then we're gonna do a quick run through, and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so quick preview of the full dance. It goes wing 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 wing. Ah na 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 no. And boom ha boom boom. Click click bang. I've been on my rock star. Shh. And boom boom. Hey, and rock star hit doom doom. What? Now a quick run through. So from the tip to top, it goes bounce and a bounce and a bounce, and wait or freestyle, whatever. Then you want to hit left elbow to the side, down and then breathe. Right elbow to the side, down and breathe. From here you want to say left hit your hip, right hit your hip. Bring your left pistol up, right pistol cross, and then you want to pull them down, bang, up around, up to your head. What? From here, do the guitar thing. Rock star. From here you're gonna say shush. Bring your hand down, pull them back, turn, and then go. Hit to the front, turn back, hit front. From here you wanna prep and go. Scream around to your right here and then back. And then you wanna prep right here. Left goes hit, hit, hit. Right goes hit, hit, hit. So together it's hit, hit, hit. From here you want to bring your right up and go open your palms like a flower around, and then pull out here so your left is on top, and you go what? Now let me explain the timing as well. So it goes rim 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 up and down my own. From here you want to go hit on boom, and then there's this ha sound, and then a boom, and then a ha sound. From here you hit on boom, hit on boom. There's a click sound here, and then pull down on bang, up, around, and you go, I've been on my guitar, and then shh, and then you bring them down. There's a boom sound, and then there's a ah sound, and then you go, rock, star, hit, and then from here, boom, boom, and then what? So let me just show you again the timing here. I'm gonna do it a bit faster. So it goes na 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 my own, and boom ha boom boom click click bang. I've been on my rock star, and boom boom hey, and rock star hit doom doom. What? Alright guys, now let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start slow. Yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. I've been on my own, and boom ha hip hip click click bang. I've been on my rock star, shh, back, boom, boom, A, and rock star, hit, doom, doom. What? Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. I've been on my own, and boom, ha, boom, ha. Boom, boom, click, click, bang. I've been on my rock star, shh, back, boom, boom, A, and a rock star, doom, doom. What? Alright, let's try it one last time, guys. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. I've been on my own, and boom, ah. Boom, ha, boom, boom, click, click, bang. I've been on my Rockstar Shhh, bang, boom, boom, hey, and I Rockstar, doom, doom. What? Alright guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it fast. So that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Rockstar TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.